Hi there and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add images to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select product images from the Store Product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For the product images Smart Settings, the Variant Image option. By default, syncX, Stock Sync link image to variant when the image URL is same row as variant. You can assign first product images to all variants when the first option is enabled as well. Then, you can set only to add images if the product has no image or skip existing images and import new images to products. This option is available for update product feed only. The Find and Replace allows you to replace any word or phrase from the feed with the value that you have added. For example, replace the image value /image3, simply enter /image3 on Find field and enter /image4 on Replace field. You can match a LT column mapping if the column with value is provided in the feed file. URL prefix is used when the image links in the feed are incomplete. For example, the feed only has the link value /image1, but the actual image link is www.image.com/image1. CDN/proxy URL is used when the image from the feed is not retrievable and it requires setup. Default image URL is used when the product does not have any image and support multiple URLs separated by a comma. Set the image column separator if there are multiple images for a product in the feed accordingly. In the URL option, choose between unescape URL or raw URL based on the value from the feed. Lastly, you can clear matching product images before importing them as new. When this is enabled, the deleted images cannot be retrievable. You can also skip updates when the feed value is blank. Note that a value of 0 is not considered blank. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.